In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to monitor activity view in ClickUp. To get started, open the location you want to monitor. This can be a space, a folder, or a list, depending on the level of activity you want to track. Choosing the right location is important, because the activity view will show updates related to that specific area. If you want a broad overview, open a space. If you want something more focused, a folder or list may be a better option. Once you're in the right place, go to the Views bar and click the plus sign for View. This is where you can add a new way to look at the work in that location. ClickUp offers several view types, and for this tutorial, the one you'll want is Activity. After that, select Activity from the available view options. If needed, you can give the view a name that makes sense for your workflow, especially if you plan to use it regularly or share the workspace with a team. Then, create the view to open it. Now you'll be able to review recent activity in one organized feed. This feed is useful for keeping up with what's happening without opening every individual task. You can monitor task updates, new comments, status changes, assignment changes, and other actions that take place over time. This makes Activity View especially helpful for managers, collaborators, or anyone who needs quick visibility into team progress. If the feed feels too crowded, you can narrow it down by filtering the types of activities shown. To do that, click Customize or the Settings icon, then select Activities. From there, choose the activity types you want to display. For example, you might only want to see comments and status changes, or perhaps only assignments and updates. Adjusting this helps you focus on the information that matters most. You can also filter the tasks connected to the activity feed. Click Filter to show activity only from tasks that match specific criteria. This is helpful if you only want to track work from a certain assignee, a particular status, or a specific priority level. Using task filters makes the activity view much more targeted and easier to review. Finally, if you need to find one specific update, use the search bar in the upper right corner. This lets you search the activity feed directly, which can save time when you're looking for a certain comment, change, or action. That's how to monitor activity view in ClickUp. Thanks for watching,